Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, so it's a that day actually before FOMC. Actually, one day before that, right? So if you still remember, I will still go show you actually, or let me just show you once, because most of the time I even forget to show you as I start with the analysis. So today it's actually Tuesday. Let's see if we have something. You can see here it's consumer confident, not really aggressive. And today we're not going to go on our live session, guys. So what we're going to do is we're just going to prepare ourselves, because this week actually it's still Tuesday, but we already had some losses. So I think it's much better to just stay out of the market and just relax. Then tomorrow maybe we'll start to come back with a fresh mindset. So tomorrow you can see that yes, there is FOMC. This is something that we're waiting for, and I also think that they're going to increase with 25 basis points from now on. And if they increase, we might see the market going down. But the most important thing, if you check here, if you check on this calendar, there is economic news like FOMC. Later on, 30 minutes later, there is FOMC press conference. So they're going to actually give a smaller statement before they take the questions. And from those statements, we will know if they are dovish or hawkish. Mostly they say if maybe they are bullish or bearish. Their statement actually it starts to sound actually whether up or down. If maybe they're going to be bullish, they're going to say that. They're going to say, okay, we think maybe inflation is going down, maybe next month we will pause, or there is a possibility of a pause. Or they might say, yes, there is a continuation of increasing the rates. That is going to be bad. Then we will see the market starting to sell, you see. So I think we're done with the economic calendar. Plus, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, just know that yes, we're still on that $39. We're waiting for a month end or only 10 people to join. Then once they join, yes, we're done. This price is no longer going to be valid. So what do we see actually on the market? I will just go very quick. Actually a bit late. What's really happening is, yes, the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is uptrending, so but now it seems like the market is coming back before it's pushing up. And I believe that the market can actually still push lower, especially when we expect the market to do what? When we expect FOMC to increase the rates, that will just automatically make the dollar quite stronger. You can see on top of there, the market actually broke out of that support. Then now the market is doing what? Now the market is pushing lower slowly. I don't think the market will just run, especially before the news. The market will just play games. It's difficult to make money on structures like this, because you sell, the market just pushes up. The market just pushes all over the place. Then slowly it pushes lower. Then it's not really easy, because you have to hold longer. And when you check, along the way, there's going to be some economic news. So you don't really want to hold position longer, because the market might do something crazy. You see, it's quite similar to here. You can see the market was not moving anywhere until we had a manufacturing PMI from Europe. Then we saw a very nice sell. But besides that, it was going to be difficult for us to make some profit. Even now, we also have something like that here, even here. So the thing that we can do is to wait for a breakout. But you can still sell. I think there's no way that the market is not going to sell, especially when we expecting Europe to the dollar to increase the rates. So let's see on the next one, which is GBPJPY. I don't really want to make this video very long, guys. I did this yesterday, and today you can go check that. You will see that there is actually no any volatility. The market is very, very, very slow. We don't actually have that crazy moves. We see that yes, the market is doing what, still pushing to the upside, but we have a very nice consolidation here. The market is just playing games there. So I think the market can still push to the upside if JPY doesn't really increase the rates. If they increase the rates, I think that we will see a nice push, because I saw something, a topic about Japanese inflation is also high, so they have to increase the rates one way or another. Even though they said they don't want to increase the rates, I think that will actually change very soon. If not, I'm still expecting the market to do what? To still come back, find the support, and maybe we might see another push to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. I'm still expecting some bullish momentum, unless if maybe the market breaks this support, but I'll have to wait for this diagonal and horizontal support to be broken before I look for that sell. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one. We have gold. Was also called. It's also consolidating, guys. Gold, it's also consolidating. But the bigger picture here is we can easily see that yes, the market is actually very on a very nice uptrend. It's moving very slow. You can see that it's very actually good. But where we are now, the market is just playing games, but I'm still expecting the market to fly. For now, I can say, as I repeat, we will see when we have, or when there are economic news, the market will play games, guys. The market mostly will consolidate. The market will actually consolidate. And consolidation, most of the time with consolidation, we end up losing. So it's better to wait for this day and wait for the news to be released. Then we start to trade nicely. The thing is, we lose just because we just want to trade unnecessarily, even though you know that the market might go crazy, especially when we expecting some economic news, but you ignore that, or we ignore that, you see. And that is something that we supposed to learn, to let go and say, you know what, yes, I seriously want to learn, I seriously want to make money, but today is not actually a good day, you see. And let's save those accounts. But what I see here is I can easily see that the market, it is still actually pushing on that uptrend. But guess what? The market just broke out, and the market also broke out on this area. I had this area as a stronger zone, but the market broke out. So I'm just thinking currently, I think maybe the market just wants to retest there and start to push lower. So let me push maybe to 1 hour. Maybe you will see what I'm talking about. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are on a journey to 10,000 subscribers. So if you are out here and maybe you're watching the channel by mistake, or maybe you just search the channel, please don't forget to smash the subscribe. Because of you guys, the channel is growing very nice. So since the market broke out, I see something like that. But for now, I will just use this horizontal structure. I will just use this horizontal structure and say, okay, there is enough room actually for the market to do what? To reach this resistant area and start to push lower. And I'm expecting a sell from around this area. It's exactly where the market actually broke out. I think that might give us some very nice moves. I saw last US30 was starting to push the upside, but a bit slower. I don't know if maybe, hey, it's difficult for us just to jump on these things, especially when we had some losses on NASDAQ. So for now, I think the best thing is to do what? To focus on what we have now around this area. These areas we did do some analysis, guys. If you still remember, we still have that resistance there, and the market broke out. Now we're expecting the market to push lower. Up. But there is a room for a reversal before we see the market start to push to the upside. So let's go closer and see what's really happening. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. Let's go closer. So what's really happening here is, yes, I can easily say the market broke out of that resistance. You can see we did through our resistance. The market is now up. We see that the market is just playing games around there. So it means the market is just consolidating. I don't actually expecting any sort of crazy moves you can see there the market is just consolidating. So we can say, okay, it's better to wait. Even if the market tries to move, on my side, it's better to wait. Don't expect any signals today, guys, because it will be actually unnecessary losses if we lose. And since I have to take the responsibility, actually, it's not really good to send signals when you know that there is high chance of losing. So it's better just to wait. So on this structure, I will wait for the news for interest rates. I will actually go live. So, but I'm expecting maybe a smaller reversal around 30 minutes, or on the press conference, maybe we'll see a shoot to the upside. Or if things are still very sticky, if inflation is still very sticky, maybe we'll see the market pushing lower. But I'm not expecting any lower, like seriously lowest area this time. I think the market is out of that bearish momentum that we saw a few months ago. I'm expecting the market to actually fly, guys. I'm expecting the market to actually push to the upside. So now we are on NASDAQ. Don't forget that you can still join our winning team for $39. $39 you pay once. This is lifetime signals, guys, VIP signals. So yeah, so let's see what's really happening on NASDAQ. We did buy this several times, but hey, we lost with this buy. I can see now it's pushing up, so I'm not going to jump on that. If it pushes, it's going to push up. Let it push. So what's really happening here is, yes, we are still on a very nice uptrend, and the market is now very, very closer to this support area, a diagonal support. But we can say the market also created a horizontal support. Yes, there is a room for the market to push up, but the market can easily reverse, especially when we have this economic news. And with the structure that I see here, mostly the market tries to respect the rules. The market can actually bounce up to this point, this resistant, so this support area, before we see a proper push. Or maybe the market can even go lower before we see a push. Remember, we already know that there is a chance for FOMC to increase the rate. So, and we know very well that it's not really good for NASDAQ. So whatever happens here, let it happen today. We're not just going to jump on the market. We'll try to stay out so that we can actually just relax. We took few losses. Even last week, I think we took some few losses. So let's just relax, guys. Mostly the market doesn't really move nice, especially when we expect some economic news. Anyways, I don't really want to make this video very long. I hope to see you later on tomorrow as we go live. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share with your friends. If you want to learn, guys, you can actually learn from me for $145, a mentorship for 4 months actually. Then you can learn enough stuff. So anyways, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.